Stute Springs Homestead Nature Trail. That's where we're at today. We're gonna try to rock out. Huh? Yeah. So I know it. So there's like how many caches they say? You say earlier you counted 34 caches. It is roughly
11:27.
So roughly 11:30 getting here. We're gonna give it a hell. We're gonna give it hell. I wear better shoes today. Just look at this shit, Matt. Fucking sun's coming out because I left my glasses. You know how that shit goes, don't you? Whatever. Alright. You don't have that top strap strapped on you? It will give you a lot of longevity. Well, because it's right. I don't know, if you're getting it up in the tree, you gotta take it off and shit. No. Is you already warm? Yeah, I thought about ditching this flannel, but the idea there again, if we get, and we don't come back to the truck, alright, 19 favorites, alright, yeah, last month. After a rash of DNFs here lately, it'd be nice. Yeah.
You found two less than me.
Right, but we had DNFs. Well, yeah. DNFs are alright, man. You're not going to avoid them. But to come out to something like this, time, distance, travel, all that shit. No, if yeah. This is a lot more grown over. Yeah, oh yeah. A lot more grown over. This is actually was paved. Going up and down a hill. Going up and down a hill is a lot. You want that battery out or you already got it? Oh, you have it? No, I can get it here.
I think the other side. One.
And it's to our left. Yeah, I'm muggy. Yeah, I get you. I just seen a geo trail and I took it. Yeah. You almost do 45 feet back. I'm getting at it. It's right where I dipped out on. Is that one of them pieces of stump right there? Yeah, I have a bunch out right now that haven't been found. You use your app or you use a geocaching app?
Geocaching app, apparently.
Yeah. I adjusted some shit in CGO. I want to see how well.
It's a little easier to, because I'm used to it, you know. I'm not too used to the other one yet.
This one don't even have me. Look how far we are off. Now it's getting closer. No, it ain't.
It's crazy. You can tell it's spring. You can hear the spring in the fucking woods compared to what it's been the last 3 times we've been out. A little bit more peaceful with that sound.
Why would you have that with you?
Hmm?
Why would you even have that with you?
I don't know why I grabbed this one.
Yeah. Yeah, you got them spun
Yeah.
so they can't turn on.
Mm-hmm.
Is that how you gonna leave it?
Yep.
Oh. Alright. Which one are we going to next? Gingerbread cookie? Or are we going to chocolate chip?
This one then?
Uh,
Chocolate chip cookie? I think we should go to chocolate chip cookie.
I say go wherever you want to go. There's an earth cache in here too. Yeah. Oh, you know, I could have that trail map up. They got 19 favorite points for that one?
Yeah, I don't know why.
I don't know why. Oh, my trail map is.
Go back to this one and then get all these or go get all these and get this one on our way out or whatever. Since it's not too far away from the car, really.
It was right by the car.
Yeah, the car's right here.
Do you want to ditch any clothes?
Nah, I don't have to.
Good. If we did it, now I mean now's the time to do it. A whole layer could come off of me.
Yeah, I guess.
All right. Hey, if we didn't have one right there that was that close, I'm even talking about going right back to the car and then get that one, and then you know what I mean. Because if we end up doing the rest of this and come back to this point here, we ain't gonna only go get one more. You know, yeah, I'm not hot, but I could be real fast. Maybe even get them shades. Yeah, that's another thing. The seat. Something was up. It ain't like we got room in that fucking backpack to put clothes and shit. Yeah, a plain ass t-shirt would be just great. You know what I mean? Huh? Yeah, I mean, if you need to, do it. I'm not super warm, but these pants will have me sweatier. If I had regular jeans on, I'd be a lot more comfortable. But these will help. Yeah, I'm not going to have any sleeves here in a minute. Oh. No, because the material is like a quilt. So I wear this all the time. It's fucking warm. It's warmer than that hooded jacket, and this ain't got a hood. And I can go like this, you know what I mean? Flip that fucker up on my neck and button this up, and it actually stays pretty well up along my neck, especially on the bicycle. Already breathing better like that. Then you dump that shit off too. At least know which ones we got in the bag. I doubt that dude did anything to the truck. Just for the mere fact that we do have these little jacket things on, probably making the guy think, huh, you know what the fuck they're doing. Same thing. Wondering what the fuck you're doing. Yeah, I'm even ditching the gloves I got in my pocket. There's absolutely no fucking reason I can think of to need gloves. Other than, no, I fall and I get stuck somewhere and I'm freezing. Wait for someone to help me. I can be like, damn, I'm glad I didn't leave my gloves. No. I don't plan on doing no sketch shit like that. Nope. That sun coming out changed the whole perspective. Look at that. Oh, man. It's Cookieville. And where the cookie dough. It is. We're on a cookie trail. It's convenient for us to actually not make any sense unless we were on a cookie trail. Ice cream trail. Yeah, I paid attention to some of the things you said. Now we should be able to just walk back over and get this one. Real easy.
Well, there's a trail entrance right over there.
Oh, alright. Real easy. Thank you, sir. God, I can't believe how much warmer it is with the fucking sun out. Council. Put him in the console, please.
You said let's not have a good bad day, so start one.
I'm not. I was fucking with you, dude. Relax.
I had to set it down for a second before
Yeah. Oh. That's so much better already. So much better. Unreal. So, right by a parking spot. Deers. Deadness. Now we don't have a fucking long sleeves on and shit. I don't. Thank God. It was heating up.
Well, if you weren't so fucking big,
What?
you wouldn't have to worry about being so fucking hot.
If what wasn't?
If you weren't so big.
Well, I don't know about all that. Yeah. Thought I had a soda koozie. No, that's one less thing to carry later. Didn't. No, it would be in the car. But I don't even know what I did with my can of soda, so I must have just drank it and not even brought it with me. Oh well.
Ready, Freddie?
Ugh. You got that big pen? Oh. I found it. You want it? The little one was still sitting here. I just threw it in here with it.
I forgot to grab it. There's still stuff in it.
I didn't know.